Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Freeform and signing in with your Apple ID so your boards sync. Once done, create or pick the board you need to troubleshoot. Make sure sharing is enabled so others can join. Next, tap the Share button, choose Collaborate, and invite participants via messages, mail, or a link. This gets people on the same canvas quickly, which matters because real-time view and edits let you reproduce and diagnose the issue together. Now focus on gathering precise details. Ask collaborators for device model, iOS or iPad OS version, and Freeform app version so you can compare environments. While someone reproduces the bug, request a screen recording or screenshots. This visual evidence shows timing and behavior you might miss. Meanwhile, reproduce the same steps on your device and narrate what you do so others can confirm. Doing this narrows root causes, network permissions. Finish by applying practical fixes. Sign out and back into Apple ID, update iOS/iPadOS and Freeform, toggle iCloud syncing, or export and rebuild the board if corruption seems likely. Once you implement a change, have collaborators repeat the exact steps to confirm the issue is gone. This verification proves the fix rather than assuming success. If it persists, gather logs, screen recordings, and a concise reproduction list. Then escalate to Apple Support so they can pick up where you left off with clear evidence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.